When God gave you brain, he gave you that which set you apart from everything else in creation, and he made you potentially the supreme being. I'm going to say it again. What did he make you? Potentially the supreme being. What does being mean? Being means that which exists. That which exists is that which takes up space, has weight, and is considered matter. It exists. It has being. Supreme means the highest, most exalted existence. Is there anything in creation more exalted than human beings? Come on. Can you find something in the animal kingdom higher than you? Can you find something in the material creation higher than you? There's only one being higher than all, and that is the supreme of the supremes. He's called God by some, or Allah by others, or Yahweh or Jehovah by others, but he's the supreme existence. But you are made, according to the Bible, in his image and after his likeness. So you are the supreme beings under God's supremacy. That's your potential. Now, you got the potential to be the highest. My brother and sister, we also have the potential to be as low down as a viper. Because the snake can't think. It does the actions of a snake because that's the nature in which it's created. But you can think. And if you plot and plan devious, crooked, scheming things to deprive somebody else of what is lawfully theirs, then your mind is operating like the mind of a snake. Do you understand what I'm saying? When you see your brother or sister with a fine car and you wait at the gas station with a 9mm, and your objective is the minute they step out of the car to get the gas, you put the gun to the head, and if they resist, shoot them and take their car. That's not supreme existence. That's a human being who has degenerated to the life of a beast, because you're stalking another human being like a lion would stalk its prey. You understand what I'm saying? And when your prey is unsuspecting, you pounce on them. You are not living up to your human potential. You have become a beast in human form. Now, brothers,